Hi everyone, I hope you're good, I hope you're safe, I hope you're fine. Today is the first day of Ramadan. I just came from the grocery store. My husband just took Amor to the tennis, and Zakaria, of course, he went there with them. So I'm going to show you what I had for this first evening of Ramadan. So let's go. Okay, so first of all, I had this dress. I know this has nothing to do with Ramadan, but I saw it on a window of a thrift shop, so I cannot resist. Look, I love the details. I don't know if you can see it there. I love the details. It's white. The sleeves are long. I like it, and there's a belt in the middle, and I bought it for £8, so I won't tell my husband, but it's not expensive. Okay, then I had a few packs of parsley and a few packs of coriander. I'm going to prepare this and put it on the freezer. Then I bought a few packs of vache qui rit. I don't know if you know, this is, triangle cheese pouch. So these are triangle cheese from a French brand, and it's not really easy to find it in the UK, but I went to Waitrose, so I bought a few packs. But everything is on the floor. Then I found my best, my favorite coffee brand from drugstores, and it's Carte Noire, or again a French brand, and you can find it at Waitrose. I love this brand, and I'm so happy to be able to find it here in the UK. And again, a French brand, so this is butter. It's so good. I didn't realize how good it was before I came to the UK, because I think in the UK the butter doesn't have taste, but this one, it tastes so good. This is the normal taste in France, but when you come and you eat the UK butter, you just miss this one so much. So I went to Waitrose and I was able to find it, and I'm so happy. Then I bought a pack of plain flour, a pack of wholemeal flour. This is for the bread I make for the soup we eat at night during Ramadan. Then of course I bought lemon, a lot of lemon, because during the Ramadan period you used to put lemon everywhere, on the brick, on the soup, everywhere, so I needed this. Then I bought some red plums. My kids just love it, so it's not expensive at all at Lidl, like it was, I think, 59 penny, so I bought two. Then I bought a little bit of meat for Zachariah's brick, because he doesn't like tuna, he doesn't like cheese, so I'm just going to make some beef bricks just for him exclusively. Then I bought some smoothies at Lidl, because when it's the Ramadan period, we like, me and my husband, we like to make some smoothies, but since the kitchen is super tiny, I don't have the blender and everything to make my smoothies, just as I used to do in Paris. Then I'm so happy I found this brand of brick pepper. I don't know if you call it like this. It's for the brick, for the samosas and things like that, and it's so good. So I'm very happy that I've been able to find it here in the UK. Again, same thing. I'm very happy that I have been able to find this kind of that natural, not I used to find that here, but it's always modified. I don't know how to say, but these are natural, and I'm very happy to be able to find this. So I bought two. Also bought these lemonade from Lidl. It's very delicious. It's like not too sweetened. And to finish, I bought some berries. Don't mind my fridge, it's not organized at all, but I'm just making the best that I can. Okay, so it's 6 p.m. so I really need to start cooking. There's a few things that I did already, like this. So this is called no, I will turn off the light. So this is called in Tunisian chou. It's not easy for me to say. So basically it's just potatoes and onions with salt that you make boil on a pot, and then you will add a lot of parsley on it, and you put it on the bricks. The brick is something that I love. I just marinated some chicken drums and put it on the sink because my kitchen is so tiny, like I don't have any space on it. Then I already made the dough for the bread, because we will need bread for the soup tonight. And this is the chicken. I just, no, not just, but I took it off the freezer a few hours ago, and now I think that I am finally ready to cook my soup. So this soup that I'm going to cook tonight is called shorba. So it's Tunisian again. My husband is Tunisian, so this is the reason why I cook a lot of Tunisian meals. So yes, for tonight it's Tunisian, and I am going to cook the soup right now. Now I ask for help, so Amor is helping me with the potatoes, with the chou. Amor, dis de chou. Yes, so he has to. Comment on dit écraser?
Crazy.
Smash the potatoes.
Okay, so he's smashing the potatoes with the fork. So Mr. Magic is removing the big branches from the parsley, and he's doing a great job. I'm proud of you, Mr. Magic.
Thank you. C'est bon là?
And the prince. The prince is just doing nothing. He's just having fun.
Si tu m'as rien donné à faire,
Oh, do you want me to give you something to do?
je ne sais pas.
No, be honest, be honest.
Peut-être.
Be honest.
Oui.
Ouais. Okay, so we are going to make 2 breads. Amor, do you want to make the second one?
I don't know.
You don't know, so you let me do?
I'm filming, so I cannot do it.
Obviously. It's very weird for me to have English conversations with my own son. So weird. I am elongating the dough because it spreads when it's cooking. You know, it spreads, so you really need to elongate it as you can, as much as you can, and then.
What?
J'aurais vraiment préféré qu'il y en ait plus.
Est-ce que c'est bon?
J'aurais même pas.
Laissez encore le visage le plus expressif du monde.